This is my card art with some last minute Christmas card ideas and more. So stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of super simple extra ideas in this video, some last minute things that you might be able to do. I took some embellishments that were very simple and made it into a card. Here are a few extras. I added a wreath, and of course, tiny little poinsettia flowers always are a nice touch. And added some boxes, and of course, a little ornament hanging down. And there is that card. That one's finished. This one is my little Christmas snow fantasy lady that I really like. And what I did here is I used the negative parts from that Merry Christmas sticker. As soon as I saw those pieces, see, look, I'm taking those off right now. I immediately saw tree leaves, branches. I could actually create a Christmas tree out of those leftover pieces. I really like to use things like this. And for this particular card, see, right there, all those little pieces from the words Merry Christmas, I felt that it was perfect for my branches. As you can see, I have some negative spaces with my two branches that I cut out right above the word joy. And because of the way I had cut it out, you can still see the background, which is the brown paper. And so this is why it has the illusion that they're brown branches, but actually it's not. It's just showing the paper, that brown recyclable cardboard paper that is on the back of this card. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding those extra pieces from the leftover parts of the Merry Christmas sticker and creating more branches. You see how easy it is? I mean, I saw that, and I just love that idea. If you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you have a chance to subscribe. And I always love your comments. You guys know that. As you see, I use all kinds of different ways of making things, and Christmas cards are always different. Here, what I did, look how cute that is. You know what that is? Guess. You probably know. You see the snowman? Yep, it's a ribbon. So all I did here, I really like that pattern, and it was so adorable, fit perfectly well in the color scheme that I had for the background card. And I just punched a couple of holes and ran the ribbon through. Put in Happy Holidays, put that on a red card, put on the embellishment of the Christmas ornament, and my card is done. Here, I really like this little guy holding the snow globe. I thought that was so cute, and that snow globe is actually plastic, and it has all those little glittery pieces. And here I scored the card on the bottom so it can stand up. See that? Just like so. Stands up ever so easily. Added a few embellishments, and you can mail this regularly. It fits right in. See, I just fold it over, but it fits right into a regular size envelope. And then the recipient can make it stand up. And all I did is I trimmed the back of the card so it's a little bit shorter. And I really like that concept, so I did the same thing here. But of course, the card is different. Look at my snowman on the right when you have a chance. Here I have the snow globe, but this one is a reindeer. The previous one is a gingerbread house. See that? And I just added a cardstock to make it look like he's standing on something. And look at my snowman on the right. He's shoveling a star. I added that little star on. And of course the wreath as well. I just thought that was kind of cute. Super easy. And here we have a nice background with those colors, an embellishment, and some Christmas trees. This one has a Santa Claus. It has a few glittery pieces. Super simple. A bow. Your card is ready. This guy is so cute. I added some little boxes. You can use pom-poms on your cards, foam squares, bows, glitter. Those are beads. You can use any of that you have at home. And I even added a ribbon. And see, I just punched 2 holes on top and thread the ribbon across. That's it. This one, again, here's another snow globe. I really like snow globes this year for some reason. He's a Santa Claus, and I used the same ribbon, but in a different way. As you could see, it's completely different on every single card, even though you're using the same thing. And this little guy, I really liked how the snowman was holding, it almost looks like a snowman kind of penguin looking thing, but it's really a penguin with little beads on his little jacket. He's just so cute. See how simple it is? He's got lights all over him. He's in the festive mood. And then the poinsettia, of course, super easy. The word to someone special, a few foam boxes with some glitter to make them look like they're decorated. See, there's a cardigan. Just foam triangles cut out like trees. And don't go away. I have more ideas coming up. I'm showing you one more time the cards just so you can have a real quick look. But I have a lot of different ideas here on this video for you. And look how easy these are. Honestly, it doesn't take too long to make. And sometimes my cards will take half an hour, an hour. Some will take a day or two. Some will take a few weeks. So it does vary in time. But these were pretty quick. And I wanted to give you some of these ideas. So if you have some stickers at home, some embellishments, you can put them on. You have some cutouts. I really like my little snow princess, snow queen, whatever you want to call her, snow lady. And some ribbon. See how easy that is? And just put it on your card. So these are some ideas. And here we go for another set of some ideas for you coming up, which is how to pick up the extra glue from your card whenever you have a few little boo-boos. Like here, one of those little leaves of the poinsettias, it fell off, see? And I had to put it back on my card. Now, as you know, my glue that I use, it dries clear, so I don't have to remove the excess, but I wanted you to see what I do if I happen to want to remove that excess glue for whatever reason. And here, I just add a little bit of a more dabber on there to make sure that leaf doesn't fall off again. It was being tricky on me. Just a few little pieces and my poinsettias were done. And what I did is I folded just a regular piece of paper. See that? Just folding it and getting a point to it. Sorry, I'm off camera a little bit. Right there. Just has a little point to it, and all I did was stick that little point exactly where the glue was and just bring it right off. Just like that. Lift off. See how easy it is? You don't need special tools. So if you have some extra glue someplace, look around. I'm sure something on your table you have. You're a crafter. You have something on your table that can take away the extra glue or use it as a tool. You can't reach something across your desk. Grab your scissors. Use those to pull something close by, or your sticky glue tape. You can have that one pick up things. So you always have something around you to get things done. See how easy it is? And look, I have the wreath, and right there, the two little leaves, they had glue on the edges, but it dries clear, so no problems. All right, here we go with some more ideas for you. And back to some easy things, which is this really pretty cardstock that I had. It was very, very old, and I really, really like this. So I added the Santa Claus, I added the Merry Christmas to it. See how pretty it is? And I added another snow globe. I just thought it was so pretty. And this one with the hope. I love this one. It's so simple with the little gingerbread guy. It's one of my favorite ones, actually. I love that pattern. And with that hope sticker there, I thought it was so, so cute. And it fits into a standard envelope, just a regular size envelope that you mail checks in or hopefully receive checks in. So it fits in one of those. But look how cute it is. Just simple pieces of nice cardstock. And here I recycled wrapping paper. See the silver one? I cut it out, and you will see this silver wrapping paper come up a few more times. And look at the sleigh with a horse. It's just so pretty to me. I like things like this. And look at this one. Here's another snow globe with a snowman. And look at how pretty those berries are right there. I cut out some squares, put them in an angle like that. That's it. And look, my little birdies. This is a recycled paper as well. I cut this one out, added it to the season, a few embellishments, little bow, and there's your paper on the background. See that silver, how beautiful it looks? That's wrapping paper. And look at my little cars. I like my little, well, they're trucks, but I like my little trucks. Each one is carrying something different. Aren't they adorable? And then I added the Merry Christmas to it, of course. And then here, this is perfect when you have another snow globe, like Santa Claus. I was into snow globes. I don't know why. It was something for this set of cards. And those beautiful, colorful, shiny things are all wrapping papers. I really like them. So we decided to cut them out and make it look a little different. Here you can use tags to decorate your cards. Watch this. Again, I recycle the wrapping paper and I put a tag right on the card. You don't have to put anything in the inside. I always write in my cards. I personalize my cards. I write in it. Sometimes I write a lot. And it was so adorable. I use this tag also. And see, cute little penguin. And this way the card is folding upward. The other one is folding from right to left. Different colors, different tags, super quick and simple. This is something you can make with your kids. You can have some extra embellishments at home and just make a quick card. It's personalized. Incorporating black cardstock for your Christmas cards is also a lot of fun. It makes it a very simple look. Watch this. It almost looks like the reindeer is looking out the window. And of course, there is a sleigh, a few stars. So I cut out the circle, added the reindeer, and I had that edging. And this one is Peace on Earth on this black cardstock with white, a beautiful star, the Nativity, and Merry Christmas. Now on the edges, you can add some gold if you want. You could frame it in if you want to. I didn't want to do that. I've been doing a lot of Christmas cards. And these are exactly just concept ideas for you. And here I scored the middle here just to give it a little bit more depth. Added a few stickers. And something simple and easy. This I really like too. I really like those hollies with a berry and joy to the world. And of course, another Santa sleigh and some stars. And I even have a little candy cane on the bottom left. You'll see it in a second. Just look for that little candy cane on the bottom left. Right there. See it? Bottom left. And this one I really liked. Just a simple Merry Christmas, a wreath, a nice bow, and a cute little elf. Oh my goodness, on a mushroom. I mean, how adorable is that? I like things like this. And then you have this amazing glitter paper and add it on, and there's your Christmas card. Sometimes you don't have to go all out and take too much time to add into your Christmas cards. But check this out. I have old canceled stamps. And I made this globe. I cut it out, and I have that holiday sticker. And then look how beautiful these stamps are, holiday stamps. And all I did is I cleaned them up on the top, like the one on the top, and the Holly Jolly Christmas and the angel, those are stickers. But the other one, see, like that one and that one over there, well, that's a snow globe. But the other two are holiday postage stamps. And the snow globe, of course, wiggles. And with a nativity and merry and bright. I just thought this was such a cute idea. You can use it and make it geographically accurate. But I just cleaned up the postage stamps that came to me from friends that sent me Christmas cards. And I decided to use it for something like this. I really like this card. It's kind of simple. I know that. Not a whole lot of jazz to it maybe for you, but super easy. Here I added some borders. I had a beautiful Santa Claus with a cute little girl. And this one, the bottom left, is from the Peanuts collection. And of course, a Merry Christmas, a border, add a few embellishments. And there is that card. That one is ready too. See how easy these are? I hope, that, again, you guys have some ideas from this. This one, I just folded this piece of paper. And this is, again, from wrapping paper. And of course, here's another snow globe. A goofy looking reindeer, but I liked it. And right there, check that out. I had a see-through bow. And what I did is I folded that over that wrapping paper. You see that? Look how different it looks. And then I added a bow. I added, of course, another snow globe. Like I said, for some reason, it was a snow globe kind of thing. Super simple. And that's it. A little polar bear. I thought he was so cute. And then, of course, you saw my little birdie. It's a little video that I made previously. And he's so cute. Absolutely adorable. And I made that video before. It's called The Little Christmas Bird. So you can tune in on that one and see what I did. But I'm sure you recognize those cute little things around the poinsettia. Those were the words. And behind the words on the Merry Christmas. And look, I'm adjusting the light. Check out the shimmer on this. I really like it. I just wanted you to see something a little different. And here are some quick photos, but don't go away yet. I still have a couple more ideas for you. I just did a few pictures here to give you another quick look at some of the cards so you can have some ideas. And again, these are all concepts, so use your own, and I hope one day my card art will become your card art. So obviously make it your own. That's the best way. All right, so coming up, guess what? We have a rooster. Yeah, I know, a rooster. I had to make a bookmark. It was so cute. And I know you're thinking, rooster, seriously? But look at him. He is such a doll with his little eyes and his little rooster body and feathers. And I layered his feathers, and I had to wait until they dry quite a few hours. And of course, we have some shimmering gold floor that he's standing on. And all I did is I put him on a regular cardstock and I punched a hole. It's a double thickness on the cardstock. And I just added my little yarn here so that'll stick out from the bookmark. I made it a little bit of a thicker bookmark so somebody that I gave this to can use it, and it's going to be easy for them to handle. It's nice and thick. You know, they're not going to drop it as easily as a thinner bookmark, and it's going to hold in their book quite lovely. See how easy it is? Okay, don't go away. I got some more stuff, and this one is not about cards, but I'm finishing showing you here the shimmer on this rooster. See? He's so adorable. So here's an easy decorative tip for a candy dish. I told you it's super easy. Take a regular dish that you have with some edging, that you have a nice clean edge to it. See, I'm going to show you right there. And add a bow. All you do is add a Christmas bow on it. You see that? I added a green one here. I added that ribbon around the edge, used hot glue. And here is a red one with a little bell. And it's done. Add your candy. You guys, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Thank you for all your comments and your supports. I hope you join me and subscribe. Thanks a million. All the best and Merry Christmas.